very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is brain entrainment, empowering thoughts and actions. Ladies and gentlemen, brain entrainment is the process of building the brain's directional thinking capacity and expanding its cosmic interactive potential. It empowers individuals to be consciously aware and enhance their cosmic interface, allowing for deeper connections and more purposeful actions. The core principle underlying this concept is simple yet profound. Thoughts are energy, and energy can be directed. The human brain, often described as a supercomputer for illustrative purposes, is an extraordinary energy system designed to power thought processes. Thoughts are the most critical, unique, and defining function of the human brain. This thought generation processes involves the collaborative coordination of various brain regions. The thalamus integrates sensory data from our environment. The hippocampus contributes stored memories. The amygdala brings emotional learning into the equation, and the prefrontal cortex processes all this information to generate output commands that shape responses and actions. If we liken the brain to a supercomputer, its hardware consists of healthy neurons, robust brain regions, strong interconnectivity, and efficient energy management. Its software, on the other hand, lies in the expression of healthy DNA, enabling each cell to function optimally. Thought generation is the primary application of this system, producing command prompts that drive physical, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational actions. Thoughts can originate from two sources: our internal energy system or interactions with external energy systems. Positive thoughts amplify the brain body's energy, enhancing cognitive and physical performance, while negative thoughts diminish it, leading to energy depletion and reduced functionality. These stimuli significantly influence our cosmic interface, impacting our actions and responses within the physical world. The brain's design allows it to store vast amounts of data, process it rapidly, and generate optimal commands. The quality of this data, whether self-generated or received from external interactions, is crucial. Positive and purposeful data lead to constructive thoughts and actions, while negative data can hinder progress. Thus, individuals hold the responsibility for curating the information they consume and retain. This process shapes not only their immediate reactions but also their long-term aspirations and world view. The status and level of human consciousness are directly tied to the quality of this data. At the heart of consciousness lies the pineal gland, often referred to as the seat of consciousness. This master gland's health and energy are critical for deciphering positive and meaningful stimuli from the universe, both visible and invisible. Emerging studies suggest that the pineal gland's function is deeply connected to circadian rhythms, hormonal balances, and even spiritual experiences. The pineal gland plays a pivotal role in guiding thought processes through its unique neurons, which act as a cosmic interface. For example, its interaction with the sun's energy spectrum regulates the sleep-wake cycle by releasing appropriate hormones such as melatonin. Similarly, the pineal gland may facilitate connections with other cosmic systems, enabling deeper enlightenment and empowerment. This potential underscores its extraordinary capacity to bridge physical and metaphysical realms. A healthy, well-integrated pineal gland carries overriding control over brain processes, guiding thoughts with simple yet profound codes like true or false, good or bad, positive or negative. Through conscious training and practice, individuals can enhance their cosmic interface, strengthening their connection to higher realms of truth, wisdom, compassion, and courage. Brain entrainment, therefore, is the practice of cultivating a positive, purposeful, and progressive cosmic interface at the conscious level. By empowering individuals to align with truth and wisdom, it opens pathways for wellness, prosperity, and spiritual growth. To begin this journey, individuals can focus on practices that nurture the brain's potential. For example, mindfulness, exposure to enriching and positive data, maintaining physical and mental health, and fostering the pineal gland's optimal function through balanced lifestyles and meaningful spiritual engagement. By consciously shaping their thoughts and actions, individuals not only enhance their connection to the cosmic realm, but also contribute to a collective elevation of human consciousness. This transformative approach can guide humanity towards greater enlightenment and empowerment, unlocking the vast potential of our cosmic existence. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.